Here are 10 lessons from Kaizen, the Japanese method for transforming habits, one small step at a time, by Sarah Harvey. 1. Small steps lead to big changes. Break down large goals into small, achievable steps for lasting progress. 2. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins and embrace the journey towards improvement. 3. Make it a habit. Consistency is key. Turn small changes into daily habits. 4. Start small, start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Begin with a small step today. 5. Be patient and persistent. Transforming habits takes time. Stay committed and patient. 6. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs. Recognize negative self-talk and replace it with empowering beliefs. 7. Use the power of visualization. Imagine your desired outcome to boost motivation and focus. 8. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. View setbacks as chances to learn and improve. 9. Celebrate milestones and reflect. Acknowledge your progress and reflect on what works and what does.